What? What? No. Okay, stop that. Stop. Stop. You are crocheting. You are not knitting. You need to stop doing that. That is what you do for knitting, not for crochet. You do that, it's going to slow you down so much and cause so much more work. This is what you do in crochet. Let the hook do the work. Not that. No, 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 no. Ouch. Ow. You're hurting yourself. I actually saw a photo of that on a Facebook group, and someone was saying, why does this keep happening? Why do I get that on my finger? I'm not even holding the yarn tight at all. Yes, you are. You don't get that if you're not holding the yarn too tight. These examples, the one with that happening, that deal here, and then holding it too tight, that all has to do with your tension and the way that you regulate that tension in your crochet. So that has got to be one of the absolute first things that you learn when you learn to crochet, is how to regulate the tension of the yarn so that the yarn is doing all the work, not your hand. So a lot of times when people complain about pain in their hands and their wrists and their fingers, I have a feeling it has to do with the way they hold the yarn. Okay, so here's how I learned from my grandmother, who was a master crocheter. So the yarn goes like so. So it's behind your pinky and around the index finger or the pointy finger. So you just grab the yarn and it just goes right in between the pinky and that other finger. So just put your index finger under the yarn and your pinky like so. And that will automatically give you the proper tension. Okay, so we'll go into this next stitch. Let me do that the right way. And watch what's happening over here. See how the yarn just goes right through all by itself. You don't have to do a thing. See it moving here? Now you can further regulate it or control it by holding your work nice and close to the top and holding your hook in such a way that it's not going every which way and you're not losing control of your stitches. But for the most part, it has to do with the way that you hold your yarn in your hand. And this way it's all nice and smooth. It's a very smooth movement. You don't have to fight with it. You don't have to wrap it and wrap it and wrap it and then try to do that as you're going along, which I don't understand that at all. But I have seen several people who do that. I don't know how they know how much to do, how much to wind, but they have this whole great big chunk all wound up on the one finger. No. Now, I know I'm going to get a lot of pushback on this video telling me, hey, it's not your place, okay? It's not my place to tell people how to crochet. People can do whatever they want, whatever they're more comfortable with. Of course, I know that. You know, I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to show you that there are better ways of doing things, more comfortable ways, things that will result, methods and techniques that will result in nicer end products. Of course, if you are comfortable with all that, you know, or with that, or with that, of course, it's your choice, it's your prerogative, it's whatever makes you happy, okay? If doing all that, what I consider craziness, makes you happy, you know, that's just, I don't understand, okay? Okay, and of course, it's not up to me to understand each and every one of you. I know that, okay, you guys? All I'm doing is trying to help. Really. I'm just trying to help you. This is so much more comfortable and so much easier. And, you know, once you get the hang of a proper way to hold the yarn and control the tension, honestly, I think you'll be so much happier with the craft. Let me know in the comments below. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments on this one, but let me know if there are other things that you have seen that people are doing that you know can be done better or easier and would help make their lives, their crocheting more fun and more comfortable. Let me know below. What other things you think can be done better, easier, more comfortably? That's all I'm trying to do, you guys. When I say, no, don't do that, I'm just trying to get your attention, that's all. Okay? That's all I'm doing. Honestly, I'm just so happy that you take the time to watch my videos. And truly, I hope that they are helpful. That's what I'm here for. Forgive me if I'm too blunt. So I'm going to thank you for watching, and I hope that you stick around, look around my channel. I've got so many really great videos out there, I promise you. So go ahead and take a look. Go down where it says Crazy Cool Crochet at the bottom of the video, and that takes you to my homepage. And then from there, click at the top where it says videos, and you'll see what all I've got out there. So thank you again. I hope that this is helpful to somebody and that it will help you enjoy crocheting that much more. Thank you, guys.